Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert column values to rows in a matrix visual in Power BI. This is a really useful technique when you want to change how your data is displayed in your matrix, making it easier to read or better suited for your specific reporting needs. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you have it open and you're in your workspace, take a moment to locate the matrix visual that you want to work with. Go ahead and click on that matrix visual to select it. This will activate the visual and bring up all the formatting options you'll need on the right side of your screen. Now direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll see the visualizations panel. This panel is your control center for customizing how your matrix displays information. It's where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to transform your data layout. For this example, let's say you currently have country listed under rows in your matrix. What you want to do here is drag that country field from the rows section and drop it into the columns section instead. This is the key move that starts the transformation process. By moving it from rows to columns, you're essentially flipping how your data is organized in the matrix. Next, look toward the top of the visualizations panel and you'll see a format icon. Click on that format icon to access the detailed formatting options for your matrix visual. This opens up a whole new set of controls that let you fine-tune exactly how your matrix behaves and appears. Within the format options, you'll need to find and click on values. This section controls how the actual data values are displayed and organized within your matrix. Once you're in the values section, click on options to reveal additional settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle button labeled Switch Values to Rows. Click this toggle button to turn it on, and just like that, your column values will be converted to rows in your matrix visual. The data will instantly reorganize itself to reflect this new layout. And that's it. You've successfully converted your column values to rows in your Power BI matrix visual, giving you a completely different view of the same data that might be more suitable for your analysis or presentation needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.